All right, I skipped the rational expressions. However, if you do want to see those worked out, it basically just entails multiplying by the reciprocal of the fraction and checking your answers. The work will be there for you in class notebook if you're just super curious as to how that works. For the last one, this is your advanced problem. So if you are feeling confused about the other problems, I would hold off on this problem until you have practiced and until you have asked Miss Reidner all the questions that you need. Okay? So, for this one, first thing we're going to do is get a radical on each side. Okay, if it makes you happier, maybe it does. We're going to say 3 plus square root of 2x. Again, it does not matter. Have fun. To get rid of this square root, I am going to square both sides. This side becomes x plus 9. This side, very careful, because this becomes this, where I have to either do box method or distribute. So 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times square root of 2 is 3 square root of 2x. Sorry, I forgot the x there. Square root of 2x times 3 is another 3 square root of 2x. And then square root of 2x times square root of 2x is the square root of 4x squared, which is just 2x. Okay. That gives me 6 square root of 2x in the middle, because they are like terms. Then I have a 2x here. Then I have an x plus 9 over here. Just bringing all that down. Take a second. I know I'm kind of going fast. All right, let's see what we can combine. Okay, I can subtract x. Not there. And then I can subtract 9. So subtracting 9 makes that go away. So I have 6 square root of 2x plus x. All right, so then I would have negative x equals 6 square root of 2x. Okay, then I am going to square that on both sides. Ew. Lots of things to do. So now I have x squared. 6 squared is 36. Square root of 2x squared is 2x. So then I have 72x equals x squared. No, I cannot take the square root of both sides. I cannot divide by x on both sides. Instead, since it is a quadratic, I set equal to 0. They both have an x in common, so I factor that out, where I'm left with x minus 72. Shoo-wee. This is the problem that never ends. Set each piece equal to 0. All right. Bam. Then, last, so I get 0 and I get 72. Okay. I have to check both of those answers to make sure that they work. So back to the very original, what was typed to begin with. I'm going to rewrite it down here and then I'll zoom back in for those of you that are like, it's too small, I can't see. All right, so that was the problem that was typed at the top. First thing I'm going to do is plug in 0. Okay, so I get square root of 9 minus square root of 0, which is 3 minus 0, which is 3. So yes, 0 works. Okay, so check mark. We're going to do the same thing again, except this time it's going to be square root of 72 plus 9 minus square root of 2 times 72. And it should equal 3. So I get square root of 81 minus square root of 144, hopefully equals 3. Well, square root of 81 is 9. Square root of 144 is 12. Does that equal 3? Nope. Negative 3 does not equal 3. So this one does not work. That's your extraneous solution. It took us a whole half a page of paper here, but we definitely got an answer. So this concludes equations. Make sure to practice. Yes, I know you have another real world problem, but we've done enough. So practice. If you want to see the example for example 6, go to class notebook.